What's good? What's good? We out here with the remote control car. We got the ball. Come out here, get some early morning shots. Let's get it. Lil Chris, man. That's Lil Chris. I've been waiting to crack this open. Show them what it is, Fredo. I know you want to drive it too, right?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go. What up, though? What up? You play ball with us right now? Oh, Sean's gonna heat up. I got 3 in a row for you. I got three for you. Balance, man. That's what it's about. Feel me, Fredo?
Yeah.
I'm missing, man. I'm about 0 for 27. It's harder than I thought. 3 more. I got it. Y'all think I'm gonna get it, man? 3 more. There's that. Next time. Little workout. Broke a little sweat. Worked on my legs a little bit. That's how I get my day started. Y'all see the sun out, give me some good sun. We out here, man. Let's get it. Yeah.
I gotta get to the money, the racks. I'm tryna win back to back to back. Now I'm fed up, I'm out to snap. My life a gamble, I can't roll the crap. They want me to scramble, they want me to stress. They want me to feel like I got a test. The doctors want me to put some ice on my wrist. I want the reward, so I take a risk. I want double up. I might pull a 4 on my double cup. Little bad bitch, she got a bubble butt. Yeah, I'm all on her mouth like some bubble gum. These niggas